Okay, do it faster. Mean, median, mode. Okay.
This sort of, I already calculated before, so that means it's equals to 60. But we should.
You can use another space to do that.
We will not forget something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will divide them with 5. Which is kind of easy, because if you ask me, I would say, okay.
10 times 5?
10 times 5 is 50, so that means it's 12.
Thank you. So your answer is?
60.
12.
Is equals 12.
Yes, 12. Write down. Okay, median.
Okay. We already know it's a 60, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna have to chop it down. 30.
Yeah, very good. What is the mode?
11.
Yes, because this is most often can be more than one number, right? Very good.